Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the December Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards designed by the design team for 4 double-page layouts, one for each one of the collections. They'll give you cutting and assembly instructions and a full-color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. As well as all of the great product in your kit, you'll also receive a sample of gourmet coffee. So this will be in your kit. You can brew it up and sip on it while you create. So as you can see, this month is all about Christmas. Can you believe it's already December and what a year we have had? So we're going to have 4 different types of Christmas collections, something for everybody. We have a vintage feel. We have this one that's not your traditional colors. We have the cute and whimsical collection from Photoplay Paper and Wishmas from Fancy Pants, which has the softer Christmas colors. So this month we have Wishmas from Fancy Pants, Photoplay Paper, Not a Creature With Stirring, Pink Fresh, Oh What Fun, and Simple Vintage North Pole from Simple Stories. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections that I know you're going to love. First up, we're going to look at Wishmas from Fancy Pants. This collection's got a little bit of fun and whimsy to it. It has the lighter green and the pinks, as well as your traditional red and green. We also get these pops of yellow and gray and kind of the turquoisey blue in here. So I just love the colors in this collection. You're going to start with 2 sheets of guacamole cardstock. For your pattern paper, we have this one called Christmas Trees, which has all of the Christmas trees on here. Just love all of the little detail and designs in these. Very different from the other collections. The back is a 2-toned yellow, so we have stars. This paper called Christmas Stripes, which has all of the stripes in the pink to the red and the minty and the guacamole green. The back is a large polka dot in that green, that softer green. It's kind of a sage green. This one's called Christmas Flurries, and it has the large dots in all of the different colors from this collection. And the back is this beautiful pattern paper with the snowflakes in the corner. So these are perfect for backgrounds. They kind of do all of the work for you. Have some great B-side papers in this collection. For your embellishments, you're going to receive a 1/3 pack of the ephemera. So these are the die cuts. I love the little pom-pom banner here. Of course, all of your embellishments will vary, but this is a good representation. Then you're also going to receive some of the puffy dots. So these will vary as well, but I got this pink color. So that is Wishmas from Fancy Pants. Next, we have Not a Creature With Stirring from Photoplay Paper. So if you thought the last one was cute, this one is even better. This one is another kind of cutesy, whimsical. It's all around kind of the food, the baking, the gingerbread. Just an adorable, adorable collection. So if you decorate gingerbread houses or cookies, or you sip your hot cocoa, this is the collection to use to document those. So we start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. This paper called Hot Chocolate, and look at these gorgeous hot chocolate mugs. Makes me want a cup right now. And this gorgeous Santa one with its big whipped cream. The back is a little sampling of lots of other paper. So you're getting a 6x6 sample of papers. I love these like this when they do this. The scale's just a little bit smaller, which I always love. So we have the numbers 1 to 30 and then the blocks that spell out Merry. So you could cut these apart and put in your December Daily album if you're doing one of those. could represent lots of different numbers, or you could use it just as the whole piece. We have the Christmas trees, the gingerbread houses, and the ornaments. This paper is called Hot Chocolate. This one, Not Even a Mouse, are these adorable little mice. Some of them are singing. Just so cute in their little sweaters and stockings. The back is a diagonal stripe. This collection is not your traditional colors either, but it's a deeper, richer color. So we have the red and the green with the pink as well, and kind of that turquoise. This one is Baking Spirits High. So we have the gingerbread house, the cookies, the spatula, and the mitts, and suckers. Super cute. And then we have this tartan plaid on the back, which again is in the turquoise with the red and the white. One more look at your pattern paper. For the embellishments, you'll receive the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So these are always a lot of fun. We have this little rick-rack of red. So this is perfect for your gingerbread houses. We have this one that's kind of a string of pom-poms. Look at the adorable little Santa and Mrs. Claus, and the Santa Claus decorating the tree, and the reindeer, gumdrops. So again, it's perfect for those gingerbread houses or cookies or baking photos that you have. So that is Not a Creature Was Stirring from Photo Play Paper. Our next collection is Oh What Fun from Pink Fresh. So this is another one. The color scheme is totally different from your traditional red and green at Christmas. We do have the green, and this red is a little bit more of the corally red and the pink and the gold and olive green, along with this beautiful blue, and it's a kind of a royal blue that's in this one. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper, which is called Oh What Fun. This is another one that's perfect for backgrounds. It's already all done for you. It has a grid on the back and all of the ornaments to the side. You could also cut this in half and just use part of it on 2 different layouts. The back, the back are these buildings. So you could fussy cut these to use as embellishments. This paper called Christmas Gifts, which is all the different gifts, and they have the little boughs of holly or mistletoe tied to them. Another one perfect for fussy cutting or just using as a total sheet. The back looks like a Christmas gift. It looks like wrapping paper to me. It's pink with the check of the red dashes. This one called Snow Globes has all of the different snow globes and the different scenes in here. This paper's another one that's perfect to fussy cut out for embellishments. And the back is a turquoise stripe in the white. So one more look at your pattern paper. For the embellishments, you're going to receive 1/4 a pack of the ephemera pieces. So there is just a little bit of everything in here, some little labels that you could stamp on or write on, tags, a little icon of a girl riding a bike, and then also 1/4 a sheet of the stickers. So again, all of your embellishments will vary, but they'll be very similar to this. So we have some that are perfect for just little bits of journaling or adding the location and the date on. Just another really, really cute Christmas collection. So that's Oh What Fun from Pink Fresh. All right, are you wowed so far? So last but definitely not least is my favorite Simple Stories, Simple Vintage North Pole. This has that classic Santa Claus in the vintage feel, just super gorgeous. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of scarlet cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one that's called the Trimmings, which is just absolutely genius and so cute. So they have just clustered up all of the different embellishments to do the shape of a tree. Super fun. The back is on that softer blue with the little boughs of holly done in it on the tone on tone. So a perfect page just on its own. This would be great for a title page or a divider in your album for the 2020 holidays. So you could just not put any photos, you could just put a date on it and put it in your album to kind of separate. Or you could add photos around in the little sections and it would just be stunning. The back is a white on red polka dot. This one is called Cool Yule, and it has the little bouquets of greenery here on tone green. The back is more of that greenery on the light blue here. Just gorgeous with the pops of red. Then we have the 3x4 cut apart. So again, these are great for tucking in. You can put them just the way they are. Use them in your December album or your pocket page scrapbooking. Use some to make some Christmas cards and send to friends and family. And then we have some here that's perfect for journaling. The back is this gorgeous print with the little sock stockings. It says Merry Christmas, here comes Santa Claus, and has the little hearts scattered out. Just a super fun collection. Look at those colors. It's just beautiful. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the chipboard frames. So these are awesome. I love these. And a 1/6 pack of the die cuts and a 1/6 pack of the layered stickers. So these layered stickers are already pop dotted up. I'm trying to get a side shot there for you. So that has 2 layers of pop dots. And these beautiful die cuts. Again, your embellishments will vary, but you'll get something like this. So that is Simple Vintage North Pole from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons that we have available. There's extra cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments that you can add to your kit to make it go further. And if this isn't enough Christmas, then check out our double shot kit, which has one traditional red and green Christmas collection and a winter collection. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.